Welcome to Car Mechanic. Today we're going to be doing a spark plug and spark plug wire change on a 2016 Ford Fiesta with a 1.6. This is going to apply from any Ford Fiesta from 2011 to 2019. Let's get to it. Alright, parts needed are going to be the spark plug wires if you're doing the wires, and four spark plugs if you're going to do all the spark plugs. And of course a 3/8 wrench, 5/8 socket, either a spark plug version or just a regular one with an extension. I'm going to use a magnet, that's your choice, as well as a torque wrench. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take the wires out. Before I do that, we're going to take this little block here out. It's just a little piece that just keeps the wires organized. You may need a screwdriver, you may not. All you have to do is just kind of peel it up. And it clips in. Just put that to the side. And then to get the wires out, you're just gonna have to wiggle them out or pull them out. So we're gonna go for the first one here. Might be a little difficult. Might bang your hand. I'll take them out of these little guides. And then we'll take the last one out, which is the shortest. Okay. Now that we got that out of the way, this little clip pops off. I'm just going to put that to the side as well. Now I'm going to leave these plugged in so I know when I put the new wires in what order to put them in. So now we're just going to go ahead in each tube and just take out one spark plug at a time, replace it, jump off to the next one, replace it, and so on. All right. Just going to go ahead and first remove the first one here. Just go ahead and put the socket wrench in there. Once it feels loose to you, we're going to go ahead and try to pull it out. If you have a spark plug socket, it should come out with the wrench or the socket. I'm going to just use a magnet. It should come right out. These don't look too old, but I just bought this car and I just want to replace them just for peace of mind. Alright, so if you have a socket wrench or a socket that has a grip in it for spark plugs, go ahead and use that. In this case, I'm just going to slowly put it down so that we don't damage anything. Okay, we'll input our socket here, thread it by hand. Okay, once you feel it getting some resistance, I'm going to go ahead and tighten it with my regular wrench. Okay, we hit the stopping point. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my torque wrench and we're going to set it to 15 Newton meters. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and tighten it to 15 Newton meters or about 11 pounds. 11 foot-pounds. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and remove the wrench and go on to the second cylinder. Third one. That's the last cylinder. Then we're going to jump off to the wires. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and replace the wires. I'm going to unplug them one by one so that we don't mix up the plugs. So here is going to be cylinder 1. You should be able to just kind of wiggle it off. Once it's off, we'll just take it off. My spark plug set, this is a Ford OEM, so it comes with the clip that we took off earlier and it has it all bundled up, but I'm still going to go ahead and do it one by one. All right, so we got the first one off. Now we're going to go ahead and match to this pair. So this is number 1. Okay, yeah. I might just take off this guy here just to make it easier for you guys to see what needs to be done. So this is going to be number 1. Let me put that in there. Move these out of the way. Just go ahead and push this on there so you hear that noise. Alright, looks like it does. There we go. That's in place. Now we're going to do the shorty guy here. This is, I believe, not sure what cylinder that is. Appears to be cylinder 4. So we'll go ahead and put that here. So you hear that click, and then push this in until it clicks. Okay. This should be cylinder 3. Just go ahead and pull that out. Go ahead and put that into cylinder 3. Hear it click. Make sure you click this in too. Okay. And then cylinder 2. Okay, click that in there. I'm gonna get these under there for now. And then click in the last one. And then just take the little organizer, route the wires through it. Okay. And then we're just going to go ahead and click in the new piece just to lock these in place. Okay. Then in the actual plug tops here, there's little organizers that kind of help also route the wire. Just put those in there. Not necessary, but kind of keeps things in place. And that's it. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. We just completed a spark plug and spark plug wire change on a 2016 Ford Fiesta. This is going to apply again to 2011 to 2019. See you in my next one.